So I caught another magnet. Got some fishing holders strapped for the boat, nails, crappie, jig, hook. A cast net weight was stuck to this magnet. There's the other magnet. But it was down there in a rock. And my magnet attached onto it, so. But yeah, here's this lake. And wasn't planning on stopping here, so I only had my 880 single side. I didn't have my 1500 or my 1200 double. But yeah, not bad for a quick little stop. Magnet fishing. There's some kids over here who also have magnets that saw me and they brought out their magnets, so it's kind of funny. But it's a nice little lake. That magnet I found, I just cut off the end, and so they use that as a cone. It's been down there a while. That's nasty. I'm gonna cut that off, see if I can clean it up and see if we can use it.